1. Touch On Demand all-wheel drive. Many ATVs claim to have four-wheel drive, but only ATVs can sense the slightest wheel spin and automatically apply power to the wheels for traction. Ground-free 11.5 class leading 11.5 travel over more rugged terrain. The Sportsman 570's suspension smooths out bumps in the trail. Easily bypasses obstacles with increased ground clearance. Strength is essential when it has a reputation for strength and toughness. It is necessary to back it up. The 570 is stronger and more durable than ever. Sealed suspension bushing keep out mud, dirt, and water and eliminate unwanted suspension squeaks with sealed bushings for a smoother ride and less maintenance. Powerful battery and easy access charging. 78% more cold cranking amps for a more assured start. When storing longer, the built-in battery charging port offers added protection. Makes it easy. Smart integration, performability, ride command technology, and hundreds of special accessories make the 570 one of the most trusted and versatile ATVs around. 44 powerful power from the Polaris ProStar engine. Whether idling, pulling loads, or tearing up trails, the electronic fuel-injected ProStar engine delivers powerful power and is easy to use. The industry's most trusted ATV just got even better. The new 570 has greater smoothness, power, and versatility than ever before, and all combined with a bold new design and legendary ride and handling. Watch the video and see the action. Features may include the legendary Sportsman suspension provides the smoothest ride to absorb bumps of all sizes. The industry's fastest on-demand all-wheel drive system and higher ground clearance in its class provide more traction and drive over larger obstacles. Strongest, stronger, quieter, and more durable. New battery with easy charging access ensures reliable starting. New sealed suspension bushings stay smooth, quiet, and reduce maintenance. And the 25 inches tires have been upgraded to a 6-ply construction. Most versatile, more advanced than ever with best-in-class integrated storage, increased towing capacity of 1,350 pounds, combined rack capacity of 270 pounds, and all new accessories. This machine offers the most ease of use.